Hello everybody, in this tutorial we will learn about the latex. What is latex, why should we use latex, and how we can create a beautiful and professional looking document in the latex. Before going toward the latex, a question came in our mind that if there are already word processor in the market, then why we should use the latex. So the answer is that the latex is more powerful tool which create a professional looking documents. It gives facilities to write the mathematical questions, equations, and especially the algorithm, the complex algorithm to write with the latex. The other word processors such like Microsoft Office and the Google document etc., they don't provide such like facility to write the complex mathematical equations and algorithms. Furthermore, the document created in the latex look like professional. It creates a beautiful document. You just write and the latex organize your documents. It also helps you to arrange the words on the page. It also helps you to arrange the tables, the figures on the page. The most other powerful facility of the latex is that you can easily manage your bibliography, which is very difficult to manage the bibliography in the other word processor. With the latex there are already hundreds of templates available. For example, if you are going to write to any journal, or if you are going to write the thesis, or if you are going to submit any report, then there are hundreds and thousands of templates available on the internet. You have to just go there and open the documents and you can work there. So the next thing is that where we should use it. You can use it online, and you can download it in your desktop, and you can install the application and you can use there. But I will recommend you to use the online version, which is the overleaf. So what you have to do is you have to write the overleaf.com, or you can write overleaf into the Google, and this will directly open. Because I have already account on the overleaf, so it directly opens on my account and it shows all of my documents here. So what is the benefit of using the overleaf? That if you are using the downloaded version, then you will download the latex environment, you will download the job references, and you have to download the every package which you will use during the processing, during the working. But in the overleaf you don't need to download any package, you don't need to download any environment, and you don't need to download any job references etc. You have to just write, you have to call the package which you need, and it will work automatically. Go to overleaf, create your account if you don't have any account, and after that the new project button will be appear. Upload your button or search any project, search any template on the system, or start working there.